Hi guys, this is Rahul Arya. Welcome to my second video tutorial on Python programming language. And sorry guys if you hear any horn or vehicle noise during this video. Actually, there is a busy road nearby my house and it is very hard to record video in silence here, very hard. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So in this video we are gonna talk about variables. So what are variables? Python variables are reserved memory location in which values are stored. Let me take a real life example for your better understanding. Now let's assume you have bought a house and you have bought TV for your entertainment. So you place your TV in your room. Now if you want to watch TV, you have to go to your room and watch the TV. Variables works the same. Now let me declare a variable. So x is equal to 5. Here I have declared a variable in which I have stored the value of x is equal to 5. So now let imagine that house you have assumed is your computer memory and x is that specific room and 5 is your TV. Now whenever you want to watch the TV, you have to go to that specific room. Now let's print the value of x. So we print, as I mentioned in my previous video, with the print method. I just have to type print, and in this open and close parenthesis I will just type x. Now as you can see, it prints 5 on the screen, the value of x. Now let's say if you want to buy a new TV, you just have to replace it with your old TV. Now let me change the value of let me change the value of x. Let's say let's change it to 8. As you can see, it prints 8 on the screen. Now what if you want to print your name with the same method? Now sorry, I forgot to tell you, the data which stores in your computer memory is stored in many types. Now these are called data types. They are some type of data types like integer, float, characters, string, booleans. So if you want to store a string, you have to put it in your double quotes or single quotes, as I mentioned in my previous video. And if you have not watched that video, I will suggest to watch that video. Just click on the I button and you will get the link to that video, and I will mention the link of that video in my description too. So if I want to print a string, I just have to put it in double quotes or single quotes. Now I like my name, that's why I've write it many times. Yeah. So as you can see, it prints my name on the screen. And you can now what are I forgot to tell you what are floats and what are integers. Now integers are just a simple numbers like 1, 2, 3, just like that. And floats are decimal values, just like 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. And if I want to store a float or an integer, I don't have to put it in double quotes or single quotes. Now I forgot to also tell you about booleans. Now booleans store true or false. Now let's say if I want to store a boolean, if I want to store a boolean, I don't have to put in double quotes or single quotes. I just have to type what type of boolean I want. If I want true boolean, I will just type true. If I want false boolean, I will just type false. Let's just true. As you can see, it prints true. Now we will talk about booleans in our future videos for your better understanding, because believe me, we will use booleans a lot. So that's it for this video, and if you have any doubts, you can just ask me on my Instagram, and I will also give my WhatsApp number in the description, so you can ask me there also, and you can also call me if you want. It's your wish, whatever you want to do. But so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.